Imagine you were a soldier in the Great Australian Emu War, where they actually used machine guns to hunt down emus. And the crazy part is, the emus won.
Nearly 20,000 emus stormed Australian wheat farms.
They ate their crops. They destroyed their fences. So soldiers arrived with 2 Lewis machine guns and 10,000 bullets. But the ostriches were one step ahead. The emus split up. One massive flock became thousands of moving targets. So they strapped a fucking machine gun onto a truck, but the truck bounced too hard to aim. And somehow, the emus were faster. After weeks of fighting, Australia did the unthinkable. They gave up. And to this day, Australia is the only country in history to officially lose a war against birds.